Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a new listing, a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home on the lakeside of the highway. Hang out and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2009 Gold Dust Lane, lakeside of the highway, right by Windsor Launch. Real nice, sought-after area. Got a nice little lake shot down the street. So this one was just listed for $899. It's been on the market for 3 days. Sits on a nice 11,000 square foot corner lot. Looks like there's going to be a full house in here, so I might have to do a voiceover. So it has a little bit of side RV boat type parking. There is a Casita on this, and that back part looks like it's the Casita. There was a question about if there's room for an RV garage or not. Obviously it looks like there's a little bit of room, but we would have to do some due diligence on that one. Let's go on in and see what the deal is. All right, so this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 2002, 2,176 square feet. Has killer little windows in the corner. Little slider out to the backyard pool area. Kind of a formal dining area. Nice big open living area and kitchen. Can lights everywhere. Granite topped island with EDAT counters, stainless appliances. Has a little electric fireplace setup. It is a split floor plan with the master down this hall and a door to the pool area. Stainless appliances, nice little backsplash. So this hall leads down to the other 2 bedrooms. This is off the kitchen. This would be the master setup. So it has its own bathroom, a closet, and another closet inside the master itself. Can lights. Has its own mini split AC unit. So you have your master bath, granite tops, can lights, tall ceilings, dual sinks with a little makeup station and a cool walk-in shower with all travertine tile all the way up to the ceiling, little rain head, door out to the pool area. All the floors are all travertine as well. This is the hallway closet. So back down the right hand side of the entry to the other bathrooms and bedrooms. This would be bedroom number 2. They're using it as a gym. Little slider out to the side area. Same bathroom setup with the granite tops, travertine, tiled shower. You have your little washer and dryer, laundry setup in the hallway. Bedroom number 3. So this is the side RV boat type parking with the Casita entrance. Has its own entry, has a mini split AC unit and a regular window AC. Little kitchenette with some quartz counters. Little closet. Obviously using it as an office. So it's got its own bathroom with a little walk-in shower. Has like the teak floor. So you have a 3-car garage with a 38-foot bay. And a 26-foot bay. Both have 8-foot doors. They upgraded their garage doors, obviously. So you have a little double closet door with your RO, water softener, reverse osmosis, home runs for your irrigation, etc. So you got the backyard pool area. This is off the kitchen. So it has a nice little corner lot, just over 11,000 square feet. Pool looks to be in pretty good condition. Nice little lake shot. Little Baja shelf. That's supposed to be an island in Hawaii that's in the swim deck there. Nice covered patio. Has a fireplace, solid surface, little granite setup over there in the corner, and a little like closet storage area. Concrete top, stack stone, little fireplace or barbecue area, little outdoor shower. There's also a little bathroom right off the kitchen slider when you walk out to the pool area. And that would be this door here to the left. There is a toilet back there, but it's a little tight, so I just shot this part. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Gold Dust Lane. Again, this one was just listed for $899, 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home. Anyways, I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.